the Special Disbursement Officer, and the Vice President. Is that correct?
Please answer, Attorney Sanchez.
Mr. Chair, based on the documents, Mr.
No,
Chair,
it's a yes or no, ma'am. Is that correct?
I cannot say, Your Honor, because as I mentioned, I do not know the details of the confidential fund, so
No,
I
okay.
do not have information on who has knowledge.
Ma'am, okay. You're starting not to make sense. The question is simple. Kanina sinabi ninyo, pagdating sa liquidation, wala kayong kinalaman. Ang bahagi ninyo nandito sa planning and documentation proper. But sa actual liquidation at utilization, wala kayong kinalaman. So ang tanong ko, sino ang may kinalaman dito? O may alam dito? Kayo ang Finance and Administrative Officer. You have full knowledge and control over the operations of the Office of the Vice President. That is part of your responsibility. Now, my question is, who has knowledge and information on this?
Mr. Chair, in terms of knowledge and control over the operations of the
No,
office.
ma'am. When it comes to the confidential funds, my question is, who has knowledge over this?
When it comes to the confidential fund, Your Honor, it should be the Special Disbursing Officer, Your Honor.
And that would be,
Ms. Gina Acosta, Your Honor.
okay, under the office or under the supervision of,
She is assigned under the Office of the Chief of Staff, Your Honor.
and the Chief of Staff being,
That is Attorney Zuleika T. Lopez, Your Honor.
and who does the Chief of Staff answer to?
The Vice President, Your Honor.
Being whom?
Vice President Sara Duterte, Your
So
Honor.
nandun yung hierarchy.
Yes, Your Honor.
Kasi kung wala na sa inyo, si SDO, Chief of Staff, at saka si VP na. Correct?
That is correct, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you very much. I just wanted to get that straight, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair,
Thank you. Yes,
just an additional
Congressman
question,
Congon.
Mr. Chair, sandali lang. Kay Mr. Tinedo, no, nakalimutan ko lang yung tanong. Sino sa staff ng OVP ang involved sa budget preparation ng confidential fund kung hindi ikaw?
Sorry, Mr. Chair, kindly repeat.
Yung sa Office of the Vice President Confidential Fund, kung hindi ikaw yung nag-prepare ng menu, sino yung nag-prepare ng menu for the confidential fund?
During the budget request, sir, wala pong menu, just
Yes.
that a confidential expense, then the amount. But based on the, if we are going to discuss na po the utilization, the disbursement, that is the SDO, sir.
Siya rin ang may kinalaman,
Yes, sir, being the accountable officer.
which is si Gina Acosta.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
May alam ka ba tungkol sa kanyang mga projection? Tungkol
Wala.
dun sa budget utilization ng,
Wala.
ng confidential fund?
Wala po, Mr. Chair. Ang document lang po na finorward sa amin is the physical and financial plan na flash
Okay.
po kanina.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you. The chair would like to recognize the next interpellator, Congressman Jill.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Good afternoon to our resource persons. I would like to direct my questions to Attorney Rosalyn Sanchez. Can you please confirm, kailan niyo po na-receive yung subpoena na inisyu po ng committee ito?
Mr. Chair, I received the subpoena on 8 November 2024 at around 10 o'clock in the morning.
At dahil na-receive niyo po yung subpoena, you prepared a statement, correct?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Sino po yung gumawa nitong statement po ninyo? Ikaw po ba or may abogado po na gumawa ng statement
I
niyo?
personally prepared my statement, Mr.
You
Chair.
personally prepared this statement, correct?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
And that statement that you are referring to was notarized on November 9.
Mr.
Would
Chair,
that be correct?
I am not aware, Your Honor.
You are not aware. But you are aware of the content of your statement.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
There appears a signature over and above the name of Attorney Rosalyn L. Sanchez. Is that your signature?
Well, I signed the statement, Your Honor.
Do you confirm and affirm the statements mentioned in this statement?
Mr. Chair, may I be allowed to read the statement, Your Honor?
We already have the copy. We read this already. I'm just asking if, can you confirm and affirm the statements you have mentioned in a notarized statement dated November 9, 2024?
Your Honor, since I did not personally send the statement because I sent it through our
No, kanina sabi mo
office.
ikaw yung personal na naggawa mismo nitong statement. So I'm just asking you if you can confirm and affirm the veracity and the truthfulness of your statements as indicated in this notarized document dated November 9, 2024.
Your Honor, Mr. Chair, I confirm that I prepared the statement and that I submitted the statement through our office, but I am not sure if it is the same statement that reached your office, Your Honor.
Comsec, could you please show Attorney Sanchez the letter as mentioned by Congressman
But do
Jill?
you have a copy of your draft statement?
Yes, Mr. Chair. Parang lumiit. Yes, Mr. Chair, it is the same statement that I prepared.
So, just for the record, it is the same statement that you have prepared and notarized on November 9 of 2024.
Your Honor, as mentioned, I only prepared the statement and signed it and submitted it to our office, Your Honor.
Anyway, Mr. Chair, I will not belabor anymore on the statement. I would just like to ask the committee secretary to flash on the screen the organizational chart of the Office of the Vice President. So as flashed in the screen, Mr. Chair, this is the organizational chart of the Office of the Vice President. May I ask Attorney Sanchez if she can read the contents of this organizational chart?
Yes, Your Honor.
And as mentioned in your statement, you are the Director for Administrative and Financial Services Office. Is that correct?
That is correct, Your Honor.
And may I know kung saan po dyan sa organizational chart yung pinag-uusapan natin kanina, yung Special Disbursing Officer?
Mr. Chair, the Special Disbursing Officer is assigned to the Office of the Chief of Staff, Your Honor.
So the Special Disbursing Officer or the SDO is assigned or under the Office of the Chief of Staff. And who is the Chief of Staff of the Office of the Vice President?
Mr. Chair, the Chief of Staff is Attorney Zuleika Lopez.
Attorney Zulaika Lopez.
Yes,
Correct.
Mr. Chair.
So, being the Director for Administrative and Financial Services Office, may we know basically what are the tasks or duties and responsibilities of a Director for Admin and Financial Services?
Mr. Chair, generally it is to supervise the operations of the 5 divisions under my office. So as stated in the organizational chart, those are the Budget Division, Accounting Division, Human Resource and Development Division, Cash Division, and General Services Division.
So in other words, you have this supervisory authority or power over the general services, accounting, cash, budget division, including human resource development division. Is that correct?
That is correct, Mr. Chair.
So, Mr. Chair, this is with regard to the confidential funds for 2022 and 2023. So sa pagkakaalam mo, nakatanggap ang OBP ng nagkakahalagang 125 million na confidential funds taong 2022. Is that correct?
That is correct. Mr. Chair.
And the OBP received the funds by check on December 20, 2022. Is that correct?
The OVP released the check, Mr. Chair.
On December 20
On December
of 2022.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Comsec, may I request to flash on the screen the copy of the check? Check dated December 20 of 2022. Sure.
Your Honor, we're having technical difficulties, but may I please recognize Senior Deputy Speaker Honorable Aurelio Dong D. Gonzales Jr. from the 3rd District of Pampanga and Vice Chairperson Honorable Janet L. Garin from the 1st District of Iloilo. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Let me continue. Mr. Chair, as flashed in the screen is the check, land bank check dated December 20 of 2022. And it appears in that check two names, namely Rosalyn Sanchez and Lemuel Ortonio. Is that correct?
That is correct, Mr. Chair.
And there's a signature over and above the name of Rosalyn L. Sanchez. Is that your signature, Madam?
Yes, that is my signature, Mr. Chair.
And on the other hand, or the right portion, signature appears over and above the name of Lemuel Ortonio. Correct?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
May we know who is Lemuel Ortonio for the record?
Mr. Chair, Lemuel Ortonio is our Assistant Chief of Staff. Mr. Chair.
Assistant Chief of Staff.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So basically, based on the diagram or the organizational chart that we have shown a while ago, you are under the Assistant Secretary or the Assistant Chief of Staff in the person of Lemuel Ortonio, correct?
Yes, that is correct, Mr. Chair.
And you and Lemuel Ortonio are both from OBP, correct?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So other than this check, nakatanggap din ang OVP ng cheque na nagkakahalagang 125 million na confidential funds noong first quarter ng taong 2023.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
And can we also show on the screen the check dated January 31, 2023 for reference? So that is the check. Can you confirm that that was the check that you are referring to?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
And in the same manner, your name appeared in that check and your signature appeared in that check, correct?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Likewise, Mr. Chair, a check dated March 18 of 2024 amounting to 125 million, which refers to the confidential fund of the Office of the Vice President. Again, the names of Rosalyn Sanchez and Lemuel Ortonio appeared and they signed it. Would that be correct?
That is correct, Mr. Chair.
Also, a check dated July 13, 2024, bearing the same amount, 125 million, with the names of Rosalyn L. Sanchez and Lemuel Ortonio appeared in that check, correct?
That is correct, Mr. Chair.
In all of those checks, sino po yung payee doon sa mga checking yon?
The Special Disbursing Officer, Your Honor.
Sino po?
The Special Disbursing Officer, Your
And
Honor.
who is?
Ms. Gina Acosta.
Miss Gina Acosta.